Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make popsicle stick crafts. First, gather your essential supplies. You'll need craft sticks, which come in many sizes and colors, along with craft glue and paint. Make sure your workspace is clean and protected, perhaps with some newspaper. Having everything ready before you begin makes the crafting process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's move on to designing your craft. Before you start gluing, it's a great idea to sketch out your design on paper. This helps you visualize the final product and plan how the sticks will fit together. Think about the structure. Will it stand on its own? Also, decide on your color scheme and any extra decorations you might want to add later. With your design ready, it's time for assembly. Apply a small, even amount of craft glue to the areas where the popsicle sticks will connect. Press the pieces together firmly and hold them for a few seconds to ensure a strong initial bond. Remember, patience is key here. Allow your project ample drying time, usually between 15 to 30 minutes, before moving on to the next steps. Finally, let's add those personal touches. This is where your craft truly comes to life. Use paint, glitter, markers, or any other embellishments to decorate your creation. Once everything is dry, you might consider applying a clear sealant to protect your hard work and give it a polished finish. Don't forget to check the description below for links to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals on craft supplies to inspire your next project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.